Hey y'all, my name is Bernard, and a few weeks ago my girlfriend and I purchased our Hobie PA-17 kayak. We got it from Orchid Bike and Kayak over in Vero Beach, Florida. So we drove down from Deltona and picked it up, and they gave us great service. You know, they helped me set up the trailer, also tossed in some other supplies that we would need for boating. We don't really do a lot of fishing, but we love being outside and hopping on to different sandbars. So we go exploring and take the youngin' out and just really enjoy ourselves on the water. We've been putting the 17-footer to good use this summer and have found a ton of stuff that, you know, we didn't even know we needed. And so we have been spending money trying to get it rigged up just right. It was an awesome surprise when my girlfriend actually decided to get a new motor for our boat. We were super excited when the box came in the mail because we'd actually spent a lot of time doing the research and digging in different Facebook groups and YouTube channels on the Torqeedo. So we knew it was going to be a pretty straightforward installation and getting it set up on the Hobie. The Torqeedo I'd say it came with like 80% of what I needed to complete the installation. The rest of it was up to me to figure out though. Luckily, there were a lot of people that had already done it, and they had posted their videos on YouTube, and so I highly recommend that you search on the Torqeedo AC 1103, and you'll see tons of folks that have already done it successfully, and Torqeedo's put out some pretty cool videos too. Adding this motor to the boat is a complete game changer. At wide open throttle, we're able to get about, up to about 6.5 miles an hour. And that's pretty quick considering the size of the boat, and there's 2 people in it. And the motor's almost silent. You can barely even hear the thing. And unless you're listening for it, you don't even, hear it. The only thing I really needed to figure out was where I wanted to put my foot pedals for steering. On other kayaks, you can mount them so that you can move the levers with your toes, and I think that's a little bit easier than the solution I came up with, which is using my heels. The PA-17 is really wide, and I didn't want to have to stretch that far. If I mounted the foot pedals on the sides, I would have to, spread my legs and stretch my legs that far to be able to steer it with my toes. I didn't think that would be very comfortable, so I mounted it to the floor. Overall, it was a pretty simple installation, and the boat is even more fun now than it already was before. So I highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting one and worried about what the installation would be. You can do it. If you have any questions about my installation, please go ahead and leave a comment or question below, and I will answer it. And I appreciate you taking the time to look at my video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Be safe out there on the water. Thanks.